Hi, my name is Hazrul and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we will continue with Vlookup Function. In case you missed the previous video, you can always check them down below in the description. Without further ado, let's jump to it. Vlookup function stands for vertical lookup. This function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column that called table in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. The syntax for Vlookup function is $VLOOKUP bracket Vlookup value, comma table array, comma column index number, comma range lookup. Okay, pretty hard, right? Okay, let me show you an example which will explain to you even more. Okay, lookup value is the value that can be found in the first column of array. Lookup value can be a cell reference, a value, or a text string. Table array is the table of information which data is looked up. Use a reference to a range or a range name such as database or list. Column index number. Okay, column index number is the column number in the table array from which the matching value must be returned. In case you got two columns in the table array, so you write 2. In case you got one column in the table array, you write 1. And lastly, range lookup. Range lookup is a logical value that specifies that whether you want to VLOOKUP, find an approximate value or exact match. Okay, if you want to find exact match, you need to write false, and if you want to find approximate match, you need to write true. Move on to example.
Okay, these are the example for VLOOKUP function. These are the information that we given, and this is the reference that we will be use. Okay, we want to look for the size for these people. First, we need to look for Mr. Smith. We write the equal sign VLOOKUP VLOOKUP value, which is this, comma, and we look to the table array, which is our reference, comma, column index number, which is 2, because we want to look for size and not the width size. So you write 2. If you write 1, it will refer to F column and not G column. Since we want to look for the approximate value, so we write true. And there you go. Just like that. You got the result. You can just write it down, but there will be little problem. See, there's a mistake that will often happen, so we need to correct them like this. Just like that. We're done.
Okay, that's it for this video, VLOOKUP function, and I'll see you in the next video, which is the last video in this basic learning series. Okay, where we'll continue with if function. It is simple one. Okay, I'll see you around. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.